Hello and welcome everyone to Kadeb Time Wood Workshop here in Narama, Kanzenzi, Bujesera. And for today we're making bedside table, as you can see them right there. So we are in the sampling process and the last process for handing over this beautiful bedside tables to their owner, which is our customer. Let's go see. So for now we are just like assembling it, as I said, as you could see here. So this is a color that the customer has chosen himself, and we are just this one is already good to go. You can see inside, it's very good for your stuff to go inside here, and lovely drawer as well. It's good to go. So this one here, we're making everything looking good before we handing it over to their lovely house. And this one also is good to go here. Also final touches. We are making some other bedside tables, but we're using wood varnish. For this one, it's already assembled. Like you see here, my co-worker, my colleague, is working on finishing another bedside table which you are using for wood varnish. So if you are interested in making furnitures, not only bedside tables, please come by and visit our location here in Narama Kanzenzi sector. If you're coming from Kigali, you come all the way to Bujesera, especially in Nyamata. So before you reach Nyamata, you gotta find Narama on the right side will be our wood workshop, or you can just simply Google us on Google Maps, Kadeb Time Wood Workshop, and you will find us. You can also contact us at 0798 972 902. Thank you, and see the final product of this bedside table for tonight. Take care.